Today we're bringing you the freshest dish of the summer. A bite that's halfway between a tomato salad and a gazpacho. There you go, there it is. It's called Pipirrana de Jaén, and it's a real showstopper to enjoy and take care of yourself in the summer. Pure perfection!
Salmorejo and gazpacho, the kings of summer, until you try this fantastic dish from Jaén called Pipirrana. I'm telling you, the name isn't the best, but the result definitely is. Fresh, tasty, few ingredients, inexpensive, easy, refreshing. It's got everything to be a hit.
To prepare this wonder, we'll need a clove of garlic, a pinch of salt, and also a mortar and pestle. If you don't have one, you can mash it however you like or just chop it very finely. I'm going with the mortar and pestle. Let's crush it to give flavor and the magic of this recipe. Eggs. 2 large eggs, and we're gonna boil them, in water 15 minutes, and they'll be well cooked. From 15 down to 12 minutes. Sometimes 12 is enough too. We add vinegar, use your head. That way the shell will come off super easily. Next ingredient, Italian frying pepper. We're going to chop it like this into small cubes. We want to be able to notice it in our pipirrana, but we don't want the pieces to be too big either. So we chop the pepper. Be careful with your fingers. And if you finished cutting the pepper with all your fingers still intact, you have no problem. This step is done. Alright, so what we're gonna do is divide our pepper into 2 parts. Here we go. One goes here and the other goes there. More or less equal. The first part goes into the mortar. Here I go. You've already guessed, it's in the mortar. We're going to crush it until we get a delicious paste. Crush it well, and in 20 seconds, it'll be ready. See? Look, this is how we want it. I'm gonna crush it a little more, and I'll show you how this garlic and pepper paste turned out. Wonderful! The eggs are ready, and all you have to do is take out the yolk to separate it from the white. This one is gonna turn out pretty well. The other one was a bit weak, but at least we have the white and yolk separated. Why? Well, because I boiled them too much at too high a temperature. We add the yolk. Pour in a good splash of olive oil, about 4 tablespoons. The best one, the picual. If you don't have it, any extra virgin olive oil will work great. Stir and mash it really well to make a creamy base, which will be the foundation of this wonderful pipirrana. See? It should look greenish like this. Yellowish green. Traditionally, it was prepared right in the mortar, but I'm gonna pour it into a bowl. A big salad bowl, so I can mix everything well, because everything doesn't fit in this mortar. And look, it's one of the big ones. Next essential ingredient, tomato, 4 of them, which is about 1 kilo. What variety? Well, whichever one you like. Alright, the skin goes here and the tomatoes over there. And now what I'm gonna do is remove the hard part. This right here, which isn't the stem, it's actually called the peduncle. And right away, we'll start chopping up all this tomato. We want the cubes to be a little bigger than the pepper pieces. Alright, now I stir with 2 little spoons without crushing the tomato, so that the crushed mixture mixes in really well. Afterwards, I'll add the rest of the pepper that I had finely chopped to give our pipirrana a bit of crunch. Let's get back to the egg. There it is. We chop the egg whites into small cubes, and you guessed it, we also add them to the pipirrana. That way, we add flavor and also protein, since eggs are very healthy. There we go, give it a good stir. Next ingredient, tuna in oil. I'm going to add it, and this will give the extra protein that a good meal needs. So, I leave it there and give our pipirrana the final stir. It needs to be perfect. Afterwards, I'm going to let it rest a bit and also put it in the fridge, so you'll be amazed by the result.
Last little trick, and for me the most important one. Let your pipirrana rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and remember to take it out 2 minutes before, so it gets a bit warmer before serving it at the table. It's eaten cool, not cold or warm, because then it's no good at all.
2 hours in the fridge, 10 minutes resting. And this is the result. And that's it. At the table, we add some good olive oil on top and your pipirrana is ready to enjoy. You see, what a fresh, simple, summery recipe. You have to make it at home. You know, Greece. Who can top that? It's a main dish, but you can also use it as a side. Don't worry.
Thank you for watching the video.